Students, now on question number 8. What is the question number 8? From a solid cylinder whose height 2.4 and diameter 1.4, whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter is 1.4 cm. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter hollow out to find the total surface area of remaining solid. So students, in question number 8, there have a cylinder, solid cylinder. Note it, that is the solid cylinder. And a conical cavity cut off same base and same height. This conical cavity is cut off. And you also know the measurement of the cylinder, that is the height is 2.4, height is 2.4 meter and diameter is 1.4 meter. So students, can you know about the radius? Yes, 0.7 meter and height is given. A conical cavity is cut off. Note that a conical cavity is cut off from the same height and same radius. So find the area of remaining solid. Remaining solid, how can find the area of remaining solid? Remaining solid area is equals CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus base area. Note that students, CSA of cylinder, CSA of cone and plus base area. Why base area? Because that is a solid cylinder, and when a cone is scooping, then this base is removed. Only one base remains. So CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone and plus base area. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, CSA of cone pi RL and base area is pi R square. But note that student, one thing. In here, conical slant height is not given. So at first you find the conical slant height, that is h square plus r square. You know the height of the conical portion also 2.4 and radius is 0.7. Utilize this and find the slant height. Okay. When you find the slant height, radius is also know that, height is also know that, and the value of pi is also know that. So you put all values, do the calculation, find your answer. Okay. Now on question number 9. Students, in question number 9, also given the figure in your book also. There have a cylinder whose two hemispherical depression of cut off. Two hemispherical depression is cut off. Not that is the solid cylinder whose two hemispherical depression is cut off. A wooden article was made of the scooping out hemispherical from each end of the solid cylinder as shown figure. Height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its radius 3.5 cm. Height 10 cm and its radius is 3.5 cm. What happened? What happened, students? There have find the total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid. How can you find? Which identity you use? CSA of cylinder, CSA of hemisphere and CSA of hemisphere. क्योंकि हमने आपको बताया था व्हेन स्कूपिंग देन एरिया इज एक्सटेंडेड एंड व्हेन स्कूपिंग देन वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजेस। यहां पर क्या हो रहा है, स्कूपिंग हो रही है और हेमिस्फीयर की, तो आप क्या करेंगे, CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर और हेमिस्फीयर, हेमिस्फीयर मींस स्फीयर, सो सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर। CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस surface area of sphere. So CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH and surface area of sphere is 4 pi R square. So you know all values, students, radius, height, everything you know that. So it is very simple to find the solution of the equation. Put all values, find your solution. Okay students, now exercise 13.1 is completed. Next day we will start exercise 13.2. Thank you, have a nice day.